guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with my new Louis Vuitton stuff. And before I actually share with you this Christmas vibe package, Christmas vibe packed Louis Vuitton piece, I would like to also share with you something I got for free, which is samples, Louis Vuitton samples. I recently am really obsessed with the Absence this Louis Vuitton perfume. Unfortunately, they don't have the for this one specifically. So, and the sales lady was really kind that she gave me like the sample, the perfume sample for free, like the ones that she has, so I got like, okay, I don't know anything about French, so I got like different taste, different smell, like different series of the perfume Le Jour qui se lève, and also this Entrep, etc. So I'm really happy, and these are all the small samples I got. I'll definitely use it, and I'll let you know in the future which one is the best. Okay, so what I've got, I really like this Christmas package of Louis Vuitton, and also it's with instead of the blue ribbon, it's actually with a yellow color ribbon. And also this year it's Louis Vuitton is cooperating with a Japanese artist, so this is also getting her vibe, right? The kind of color. Okay, I'm going to open this. And actually I always wanted to do something which is use this kind of ribbon as a hair ribbon, because I think I actually really like hair ribbons, but I don't really like hairband because I actually have it because I don't feel so comfortable. Let me show you how I usually will use it. I would just do like this, cross it, and then just tie it. And then just use your the skills we've learned from, I don't know, primary school, how to tie a butterfly tie. Okay, I'm not doing it very well, but I could have done it better if I'm with something like Mira, that with more practice, but more or less it could be like this. I'll definitely try to utilize this yellow ribbon because I really like this yellow color. It's wider than the usual blue ribbon, so I think it's a perfect match for people whose head is also as big as mine, so it actually matches better. And what I've got this time is actually, oh, actually we can actually just open this box like this. I thought it will be stuck somehow, but it did not. Okay, so I actually got myself, do you know what it is? It's actually a belt. So actually I ordered this product previously because my weight is a little bit big. It's 80, so this 75 is too small for me, and 85 is, you know, a little bit. Actually I can also use 85, but I want to give myself a try to see if I can lose weight, because there are 3 holes here. Currently I will use the first hole because I'm a bit overweight, and I hope that in the future I can use the 3rd hole. So this is the Louis Vuitton belt, which is called, okay, I forgot the name of this series. Let me see if there's something written about this product. Okay, so there's the name tag, which doesn't tell you like this product is named exactly, but I really like the design because it's with 20 millimeters width, so it's not too wide, and so it will not feel uncomfortable when you're trying to bend over or something like that. And also it's with some design like this, so it's kind of give you this kind of sense of elegance. And it's I like the kind of initial or essential reversible belt that is usually monogram on the one side and the other side some other color. It's not genuine leather entirely, so I think this one is more endurable because both sides are calf skin. And also, okay, is it not so environment friendly in this case? I'll definitely use it for a long time, so it's gonna be environment friendly, right? Once you don't, waste the resources. Okay, so yeah, it's calfskin 100%. One thing I actually sort of feel a bit uncomfortable is that this buckle and also the metal here, it's not with this, how to say, goulash design, so it will be easily scratched because you see it's very smooth. It's with very smooth skin, so it will get scratched easily. This is the thing I don't like. So I was also looking for this Initial Precious series, which is also 20 millimeters, and it's with this kind of goulash, yeah, some French words, so that it's not that easy to be scratched. However, that one is already, and not Louis Vuitton that already does not produce, Louis Vuitton no longer produce it, which is really a pity. I don't know why. It's such a nice design, such a nice product. If they ever come to the market, I probably would also consider buying another one. Yeah, but I would like to try it on so that you will see the effect. Actually, this one you can use it as kind of waist belt when you're on some dresses, and also as what I will do and what I'm doing now, you can also use it for trousers or for jeans, simply for jeans. And I would like to let you see the effect of me with this belt. Just a second. Okay. Oi, oi, oi. I'm not so yeah, I kind of stuck. It's not that easy to wear, honestly speaking, but if it's not easy to wear, it will not be easy to be okay, done. So it will be like this. It will be like this. Isn't it beautiful? I just feel like it's really pretty. So it's not entire, the logo is not that big because thanks to the fact that it's only 20 millimeters, so it's not like too exaggerating or too much. However, still, if it gives you kind of vibe of elegance, at least in my humble opinion. So I really like this belt, and also I hope that in the future I can use the third or the second hole, which means that I get slimmer in the future. Okay, so this is how it looks, and what I'm wearing is a very simple jeans. Yeah, and it kind of gives an extra vibe to the jeans. Okay, so that's the end for this. Oh, maybe I can also take it off and share with you how it looks. Wait. Oh, what happened? Oh my god. Wait. Okay. Wait. What's wrong? Okay. So this is how it works. So there's one place where you can put this belt through, and also there's the hole where you can actually stabilize this belt. So this is the belt. Thank you for watching. Bye.